Hi, it's me again with Corel Roll Tips and Tricks, and I have a curve. It's not a rectangle anymore. I turned it into a curve and changed some of the configuration of the nodes, make it look like this. So this is circles on the curve, and I'm going to put a link to this free macro that Eskimo makes. If you have an overlapping mode, before when I was creating circles, then I would go through here and delete the inside circles. Well, I've been playing with it a little bit now, and right here, you can create circles, then boundary. So what it does, if you were making a cloud or something like that, you could make it look like that without having to do anything else. And we're changing our scattered, let's change it to 50. And it changes it well, it didn't change it. I went back. Let's go to, the maximum is 28.5. 28.5. So that kind of gives you a cloud effect, and you don't have to do any deleting. And of course, you can always change it to 2-inch, create boundaries, and get a different effect. But instead of having to go to create circles like I was doing before, and then actually making this, taking the virtual segment delete key and deleting that half of the circle, the boundary that he has built in there, pretty ingenious piece of macro, and just still kind of playing with it, but you have to have it on overlapping mode for that to work, and you can do it with any shape. When you make an ellipse, it's got to be a curve, so you got to go to object, convert to a curve for this to happen. But that's a pretty cool effect that you could do that. And if you wanted them, at 0, so it'd just be perfect circles. Then you could just take that ellipse, click on it, and do a boundary of just circles. That's pretty cool when you can do stuff like that quickly. Anyway, I hope that helped a little bit. Thank you for watching.